Have you been told that reverse osmosis water is dead water, that it's really not safe to drink, and it's going to demineralize your body and make your body acidic? Well, if you've heard that, my friends, that is a myth, and we're going to be talking about why that is not possible here, and how it's actually the best water to drink if you're looking to get rid of the contamination in your water.
Nice.
So let's talk about reverse osmosis and why it's getting a bad reputation when it comes to alkaline ionized water. So reverse osmosis water, we take tap water typically, and we go through a very small semi-permeable membrane with pressure. And what that does is it's so small, that filter media, that the contaminants that are in your water, like arsenic and heavy metals and fluoride and all these other things, they get out. And as a result of them getting out, guess what it's also getting out? Calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium. Those are alkaline minerals. And some people believe that having those in there is really great for your body. And I'll here to tell you that they could be great for your body. However, they are rock form minerals. And so what happens is when you take a rock form mineral in your body and it's big, you can't really pull itself to the gut wall very easily. And so it can build up over time. You get calcium deposits, kidney stones, and can lead to glaucoma. What your body really deserves to have is plant-based minerals that are chelated. That means that the roots go down into the earth and pick up the rock form minerals and bring it back into the leaves of the plant like broccoli, and then you have all those great minerals that are chelated, meaning coming from the root up through the plant, and then we consume it that way. That is what our body wants. And so when we have reverse osmosis water, how it got bad reputation when it comes to alkaline ionized water is it's considered no minerals. And that technology that's used in alkaline water ionizers is older technology to get the hydrogen gas. And so you have to have those minerals because those minerals conduct electricity. So if you put RO water in this alkaline technology, same thing goes in that comes out, nothing, because there's no minerals to conduct electricity. So it gets a very bad reputation when it comes to alkaline ionized water because it doesn't do anything inside of it. However, it's the best water to drink if you don't want all the extra contaminants, especially PFAS that's found in every single person's water supply out of 69,000 people that has been tested on it. It's so bad that if you have a whole house water filtration system, we now have to remove the bed, and it's hazardous waste after 5 to 7 years after it's no longer cleaning up your contamination. It's hazardous waste. It has to go into a different area of the dump. So it's very toxic. So we definitely want to get all of that out. If you are concerned, you can always put a little bit of a mineral cartridge and put minerals back in your reverse osmosis. But now let's talk about the reverse osmosis water here in this technology. So this is our Hydro Deluxe, and what we do here is we have a 3-stage filter and then an RO is built in. And so what's going to happen is the water here in the back port takes about a gallon. You put tap water in it, and then it's going to come through the filtration here, and it's going to spit out the discharge water. That's dirty water. Typically RO water has the discharge water. That's going back over here, and then you're getting the highest filtration that you can possibly get. And then it's getting infused with hydrogen gas. And so in this technology, this is using a PEM or SPE technology. So you don't need those minerals in there to conduct electricity. So that's why we believe this is the best product on the market right now, because it does have a robust filtration system. You don't have to hook it up to any outsourced water supply. And then it's giving you almost 3.0 ppms of nano hydrogen. You don't have maintenance, you don't have cleaning, because it's using distilled water, which is RO. Distilled water and RO is very similar, but it's on the side port you don't drink. And this water here is used the electrolysis process on this water here only. And there's no minerals, so nothing can build up in the electrodes, so you don't have to all that cleaning. So this is a great unit. We can't wait for you to get your own, and it is right now, you can get it around the world. We ship all over the world, and we have different power sources for different areas of the world. You can go all the way up to a very large volume of water and go all the way down to a small volume. You can also change the temperature up to 204 degrees. It's amazing. So go over to healthyhydration.com and check this out yourself and get yourself one of these devices. You're gonna love it. And until we see you in the next video, be happy, be healthy, and be free.